Islam, a beacon of light amidst the shadows of uncertainty, stands as a testament to the boundless mercy and wisdom of the divine. Rooted in the eternal principles of compassion, justice, and submission to the will of Allah, Islam offers humanity a path of guidance and enlightenment, leading souls from darkness into the radiance of divine grace. At the heart of Islam lies the belief in the oneness of Allah, the creator of the heavens and the earth, the source of all existence. This singular truth echoes through the chambers of the heart, calling forth a recognition of the divine unity that binds all of creation together in a tapestry of interconnectedness and love. In the teachings of Islam, we find a blueprint for righteous living, a roadmap that navigates the complexities of human existence with clarity and purpose. From the pillars of faith to the practices of worship, Islam offers a framework for cultivating spiritual growth and moral integrity, guiding believers along the path of righteousness and virtue. Yet, Islam is not merely a religion of rituals and rules, it is a way of life infused with a spirit of compassion and service. Through acts of charity, kindness, and generosity, Muslims are called to embody the teachings of their faith, extending a hand of support to those in need and nurturing a culture of empathy and solidarity within their communities. Moreover, Islam champions the pursuit of knowledge as a sacred duty, encouraging believers to seek wisdom and understanding in all aspects of life. From the sciences to the arts, from philosophy to spirituality, Islam embraces the quest for knowledge as a means of drawing closer to the divine and enriching the human experience. In a world fraught with division and discord, Islam offers a message of peace and reconciliation, inviting humanity to transcend the boundaries of creed and culture in pursuit of unity and harmony. Through dialogue, compassion, and mutual respect, Muslims strive to build bridges of understanding and cooperation, fostering a world where all beings can live together in dignity and peace. Islam stands as a beacon of hope in a world shrouded in darkness, offering humanity a path of guidance, compassion, and spiritual illumination. May we, in the light of Islamic teachings, find the strength and inspiration to embrace our shared humanity and walk together towards a future of peace and prosperity for all.